Hello everyone. Today I will tell you few more programs on for loop. These all are practice programs. You have to practice as well as you have to solve problem based on these practice programs. The first one, write a program to input any number and print multiplication table up to 10 counts. You all know the multiplication table. So you have to write a program that can print multiplication table of any number. Means number will be entered by user and the table will be printed by your program. Write a program to print sum of numbers from 1 to 10. This program you have to calculate sum of these numbers, means from 1 to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 up to 10. This total you have to print. And program to print sum of odd numbers from 1 to 50. This is also this third one is based on the second. The only difference is here you have to print sum of only odd numbers and the limit is also 50, and here you have to print sum of all numbers. So here only sum of odd numbers. The logic will be similar to this. First two I will be doing for you so that you will be able to solve rest of the problems. And then next one, write a program to print sum of even numbers from 1 to 20, similar to this time sum of even numbers. And this third one, write a program to input any number and print a multiplication table up to n counts. Limit of number of counts will be taken as a input. Means this last one is similar to the first one. The first one I am solving for you, and the only difference is that here you are printing the multiplication table up to 10 counts, and here you have to print multiplication table of up to n counts. Means any number of limit you can take as input, and program will be printing table up to that number. Means it can be up to 5, it can be up to 20, depending on the value of this n entered by the user. Now here is the first program, multiplication table. It's very simple program. You all know, while calculating this multiplication table, so you have to print n ones are, n twos are, n threes are, n fours are. So here the number I am taking as an input, n I am taking as an input, for which you are going to print multiplication table. And this for loop is basically, I have set this for loop to generate counters from 1 to 10, so that you will be able to print n ones are, n twos are, n threes are, n fours are, and up to n tens are. So value of counter will be in range of 1 to 11, means 1 to 10, you all know there. And print, here the printing statement, you look at this statement, n into c. N is the value, the number for which we are printing the table, and c is the value of counter which is being generated by this for loop. So it will print n ones. Suppose the value of counter c is first time 1, so it will print n ones. Then next time the value of counter c will become 2, then it will print n twos. So n will remain fixed, and c, this counter is variable. It is increasing by 1 every time. Then n threes are, n fours are, n fives are, and it will be like this. So suppose you will enter any number 5, you want to print table for 5, so it will print 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, and complete table of 5 up to 10 counts. Same programs, this program can be means this is the same program I have taken from the Python window, the actual code. So you can also copy this code and you can also practice in your computer or mobile app. Same program, yeah. This table program can be in another format. The logic is same. Program to print table with formatting. Formatting means you have here, in if you see in this previous example, it is printing table of 5 like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, but it is not printing 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So if you want to print that expanded form, so this is the format for printing expanded form. So n is same way, I have entered the n, and loop counter is similar to the last example. The only difference is sorry, print statement. Print, I am printing here many things. Like in last example I printed only n into c, but here n means the number, then this symbol of cross, the symbol of multiply, it is inside the double quotes, so it will be printed as a fixed symbol. Then value of c means counter, and then equal to symbol, the fixed label, and this n into c will be the calculation of n into c. यानी कि it means it will print कैसे करेगा ये n की value of print it will print n जो भी number है plus cross, then फिर value of counter 1 first time, then equal to, then n into c. Look at this output, it will, the table will be generated like this. This is the value of n. N is the number I have entered 12. तो 12 तो सब जगह 12 है up to 10 counts, and this x is being printed with the help of this double quotation, this fixed x, this cross symbol, it is printed here for all steps. Then value of c, it is from in range of 1 to 11, तो ये आ गया यहाँ से 1 value of c 1 2 3 4, so this is the value of c which is here. This is printing value of c, means this is printing value of n, the first output, then separated by second output x, then separated by third output c, then separated by fourth output equal to symbol fix in all steps, and then separated by calculation n into c. Here n into c, 12 into 1, 12 ones are 12, then 12 into 2, 12 twos are 24. So this complete table in a format, the table like format will be printed. So this you can also practice. This is the better way to print along with the fixed labeling formats. So this is n into c. ये कुछ भी नहीं है बीच में, it is nothing. ये during taking the screen I took the screenshot, तो ये cursor था यहाँ पे जो ऐसे आ गया है, otherwise it is nothing, it is n into c. So don't be means don't get confused in this. This is only n into c. Now this is the program which I am also solving for you. Write a program to print sum of numbers from 1 to 10. Means you have to generate the numbers 1 to 10. You have already done this, but this time you have to total all these numbers. Means you have to add 1 with 2, then 2 with 3, then 3 with 4, and ultimately it should print the value sum of 1 to 10. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. So that will make it 55. You can see here in output sum of first 10 number equals to 55. How it works? The counter sum, this is very important. Sum counter, you will have to take a variable sum equals to 0. Initially the value of sum is 0. You have to take it. Then this is the loop counter n, that is from 1 to 10, and this is the statement that will calculate total of these all counters, these all n's. So sum plus equals to n. This is the short notations, assignment plus increment operator. This is the means it can, you can also write in this way, but you have to practice like this also. It means this is the remark I have written here for you. Okay, this statement can be written like this: sum plus equals to n stands for sum equals to sum plus n. It stands for sum equals to sum plus n, means the latest value of sum will be the previous value of sum plus n. So first time the previous value of sum will be 0, so it will add 1 to 0, so 1 plus 0 it will make 1. Then next time will n will become 2, then the previous value of the sum will become 1, and then 1 plus 2 3, then 3 plus 3 6, then 6 plus 4 10, then 10 plus 5 15, and accordingly it will calculate progressive total up to 10, and then ultimately it will print here sum, and that is 55. So you have to do all these programs. Have a nice day. And the program I have shown you in first slide, you have to do last 3 programs, and then you share your programs in your in our WhatsApp group, CS WhatsApp group. And you don't have computer, if so you make note of this. You can also solve these program in your copy, and no problem is there. So if the concept is clear, you can also write the answer in your notebook, and you can also share the picture of that notebook in our group. Have a nice day.